Hey guys, so yesterday I worked on our new technology page in the website, a page that will basically be a showcase of all the products that we've built so far. And I worked on several other design tasks that we had with our designer and created today new tasks for our developer community on GitHub for new features that we're adding on our missions app. And also worked on the new main menu for our developer portal, which will include cool visuals. And I think this is it, guys. Thanks.
Hey there, Davers, Alec here. So my day is going pretty well. This morning, Noam spoke at the Impact Labs here at our office. He was actually talking to municipality leaders from around the world, basically mayors that came to Israel to check some new high-tech and new transportation startups. So that went amazing. We'll issue a video regarding that very shortly. We'll give you some more updates on him shortly. Have a good day, guys. Bye. Enjoy the weekend.
Hi guys, today I've finished going through the missions app code and I've started drilling down into the mission control app also I've started to compile a list of tasks that we're going to have to implement in the near future, and probably we're going to open some of them at least to the community, so keep looking into the GitHub repositories. Thanks, bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Lapardo here. So yesterday had a good day. In the afternoon, I met with another potential advisor for a very large, exciting company. So that was really good. More news to come there, but really good meeting. So I'm very hopeful for that. Also worked on a bunch of things as it pertains to analytics and making sure that our paid advertisements are tuned in, work with our paid partner on that. Some content pieces, worked on getting the new media page for the website. So overall, a lot of good things happening yesterday. Today, for majority of the day, I'm down in Silicon Valley. Just had a meeting with one of the larger automotive companies. Don't want to go ahead and say who that is, but the meeting went really well. More to come there as we continue to do outreach and have meetings with new advisors, new companies, all of just exciting things happening here in San Francisco and the Bay Area. Also, when I get back, got to do some additional work on the media page, on some content pieces, on our overall analytics for the page strategy. Got to meet with our paid partner on that. But overall, great things. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.